friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and I am working on a little wreath for our Canada Day, which is July 1st here in Canada where I live. And I have just a Dollar Tree frame. It's a 14-inch frame form. And what I did was I've had some Dollar Tree mesh left over for quite some time. So our colors in Canada are red and white. So I thought that I would make just a simple little wreath for my door using the red and white mesh that I have left over. So I've already gone ahead and started on this one, but what I did was I have a chenille stem and I cut it in half and I just twisted that around this second and third rung. There's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's on 2 and 3. And I just squished my 2 mesh colors together, like so. Just gather it up, like so. And then tie it on with a chenille stem onto one of the rungs. I have the second and third rung. Twist that around with your chenille stem and that'll get you started. So then what I do is I gather up my 2 colors together and I just pull them between this second rung right there. And I just gather that up together, pulling as we go along and squishing it up. Where am I here? Down. Keeping your colors together and just squishing it up on that one rung until you get it to where you like the looks of it. And you just keep going all the way around that second rung until you run out of your mesh, and then we'll tie on some more with another chenille stem and we'll just keep carrying on until we get all the way around. So here we have 2 sections finished, and now I have run out of the white. So I'm just left with my red. So I'm going to cut the red off here, and I'm going to start with my new rolls of the 2 colors. So I'm going to squish them up. I'm going to drop this to the floor so I can pull it up together, and I'm going to connect it into my twist tie that I have secured that piece with. So once you have that all nice and secure together with your other one that you were finished with, then you pick up your 2 strips on either side of this second rung, pulling it out and up at the same time. It's easier if it's lying down, so you need to pull it up and then bring it forward towards your twist tie. And just keep going all around, forming your little ruffles, just like that. Just going and going and going until you've got the next section filled up. So there we have 3 sections filled, and at each crossbar, what I call these sections, there and there, all the way around, that's where I put in a chenille stem, just to make sure to hold it there. So now, once again, we'll just push our mesh through just around that one rung and keep pulling it up and pushing it forward until we get all the way around to where we started. So here I am, I have it all the way around, and now I have run out of white, but I still have red left. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the red and bunch it up, and I'm going to go onto the rung that is right beside where I just had pulled this through, and I'm going to do just a plain strip of red all the way around there. The very same way. I'm just going to pull my mesh up through once I get this connected here. And then we'll have just a row of just the plain red to go all the way around on the inside rung next to what we've just finished. So here's what it's looking like so far with the red on the inside of that rung. Now that is on the third ring. There's four rings, and it's on the third one that I'm going around, right up next to this one. So I'll carry on. So there we have it, my Canada Day wreath, and it's all complete. And I had a little sign that says True North, and my sign had a wee hole at the top, so I just put a zip tie through there and attached it around one of the rungs. And then I put a chenille stem on the back for my hanger, and I'm all ready to hang this on my door for our Canada Day on July 1st. So if you like this idea for a wreath and would like to try it, I hope you will like this, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. And thanks for watching. Bye now.